Have you ever wondered who else could have brought the eccentric Doc Brown to life? Well, Christopher Lloyd is the face most associated with this iconic character. There's another actor who stepped into the role in a surprising twist. Before diving into this fascinating story, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. In the realm of animated series, Dan Castellaneta, known for his voice work on a certain yellow-skinned family, took on the role of Doc Brown in Back to the Future, the animated series. Um, this connection might catch many off guard, especially since Castellaneta has been the voice of Homer Simpson since 1989. Christopher Lloyd's portrayal of Doc Brown in the original trilogy is legendary. He took us on wild adventures through time, even landing in the Wild West in Back to the Future Part 3. Remarkably, he made a cameo in A Million Ways to Die in the West, reminding fans of his unforgettable character. Uh, the animated series, which aired from 1991 to 1992, picked up the story right after the trilogy ended. In the final scene of Back to the Future Part 3, Doc Brown returns to 1985 with a new time machine, a train. This was just the beginning of more adventures for him and Marty McFly. Well, Lloyd remains the beloved live-action Doc. Castellaneta's voice work in the animated series is so seamless that it feels like a natural extension of Lloyd's performance. The two portrayals blend together, making it hard to tell them apart. In the original films, Doc Brown plays a crucial yet secondary role to Marty McFly. The animated series flips this dynamic, placing Doc at the forefront of the story. It explores his quirky family, but then zany escapades with Marty and Jennifer making occasional appearances. Interestingly, the animated series also introduced Bill Nye as Doc's lab assistant, adding a fun twist to the mix. Their interactions brought a new layer to the show, making it a delightful watch for fans of all ages. And speaking of time travel, why did Doc Brown always carry a pencil? Because he wanted to draw his own conclusions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time,